you do 100 push-ups for one day, you will not all of a sudden look like Hercules. You would have to do it for about a month, and then you would only see your results probably on your upper body. So if you want to build the whole body, you'd have to do other exercises. Exercises like squats. This is of course for your lower body, for your legs. And it also doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be Hercules within a year. You'd actually have to do this for a year, 2 years before you start seeing any results. And then you want to have visible abs. You also have to do other things like eating less so that they can be visible. Don't be like me and be a slob, gluttonous, because you have a bit of this. The same concept actually applies when it comes to doing business. You would have to work the first year and the second year for you to start seeing some significant results. So it doesn't mean that the results are more significant. It just means that it is a bit easier for you to start doing business the way you want to do it. This also applies for your career. Now, when I mentioned the fact that you would have to do push-ups for your upper body, there's other things like the upper body exercises, which are pull-ups, there are sit-ups. On squats, there are lunges. You can also even run, and that will help your whole body, right? Now, when it comes to business, it means that you are doing many other things as well to ensure that your business is successful. It doesn't mean that if you are a tattoo artist like myself, all you have to do is to do tattoos. You actually have to know how to do marketing so that you can access clients that will pay for your tattoos. If you're a web designer, the same concept applies. You'd have to go get the clients, and however you get the clients, it is the method that you use. If you're going to use social media, if you're going to use Google, if you're going to use face-to-face direct sales, that's the method that you will have to use, and you will have to actually learn in order for you to start getting customers. And then after you have the customers, it doesn't also mean that now your business is okay. You actually have to be able to save the money that you make from getting these customers so that you can reinvest into your business and keep growing your business. And when I talk about the fact that you should be saving some of the money, something that I also want to practice myself, so that I save the money to reinvest into my business and ensure that the business grows in the direction that I want it to grow. That's pretty much the mindset that you would have to approach when you're doing business. It's like building your body. If you go from skinny and you want to build muscles, I've said this in many other videos as well. You don't just start by doing 100 push-ups and one day you believe that you're going to have a big chest. And doesn't mean that your cardio is going to be better by running 1 kilometer for one day and then you never run again. You would have to run 1 kilometer every day until you can do 1.1 kilometers, then 1.2 kilometers. As it gets easier, you progress to higher standards in your training. This is in your business as well. And then your body starts feeling better. Your cardio starts feeling better. In the context of business, your pockets start looking better. Your bank account starts looking better. This is how it is. That's how we do it with business. I'll see you in the next one.